morning, all. It's been an honor to be over here in the land of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Narendra Modi. Being here itself is a pride, and getting honored in this land, it's a privilege and beyond what you can think of, actually. And thank you, Narendra. My grandfather used to say when I was growing up that you should be doing your work as if Almighty is watching at you and He's going to reward you. And that is the philosophy I groomed and grown, but I never understood why my grandfather used to say that. Today I can say this. I don't know how Naren Bhai spotted me, my work, and called me till Ahmedabad. Actually, thank you so much, sir. And you made me believe that sentence what my grandfather used to say. I born in a very small village. Even today, it is very difficult to locate on Google Map. And when I was growing up, the access to simple things, even the schools was rare actually. But it was my father's, I will say, desire to get the good education, even though we are in the village. And he just put me into high school from Jilla Parishad school actually. And his desire made me walk almost 13, 14 kilometers every day, all alone in the darkness. School used to start 7 a.m. in the morning. So you can imagine actually. And during that time, my grandfather used to walk with me just to acclimatize me to the road. And during that time, he shared his vision that how you should look at life actually. And that vision pulled me to carry on in the life actually. My teachers, my mentors, all the people who believe in me, they made me to dedicate myself into doing something different than typical villager can do actually. My mother was very strict. If you are sick someday, she will say, I will take care of you after coming from school. Till that time, you are normal to me actually. And that's the kind of environment I grew up actually. Not big things, but very simple thing which we are looking for was the education actually. And for that thing, we have to work hard towards getting basic things actually. And we grew up and become an inspiration actually. I was the first engineer in half of my tehsil actually. So I still enjoy that pride because many people still come to me and ask me that what should I do, in spite of having a lot of information technology and all those things available to everybody. It's become quite accessible now. And interestingly, in that small village, we have the highest density of engineers post my engineering. Actually, that's I'm proud of. Most disturbing thing is that even today, a lot of Marutis are waiting for that spark to ignite their desires actually. And that's what work I started a few years back actually. I felt that there are a lot of potential lies in the rural India which we need to go and spark it. So I started that initiative, started going to villages, started going to schools, started going to colleges, and just started to share my experience with them. I have not done anything big actually, but share the experience with them that within the adversities, how you can do big things actually. What is that you need to focus on in order to get? Instead of focusing on I'm coming from adversities, focus on what is possible to you. And that one thing inspired thousands of students actually. They are connecting with me. We are able to make difference into their life, and formally we are walking on that path. I think I connected more than 5,000 people, if not less, personally, and many more by other interactions. Thanks to that initiative and people who are participated into that initiative. Still it's nascent, but I hope it will grow. One day we will be able to see more impact across the things, but that journey started. I'm very thankful to all the people who made a difference in my life actually. They gave me a guidance at right time. They show me the path at the right time. So I would like to dedicate this honor to them, the teachers, mentors. But most important teacher of my life is my own wife actually. She, she taught me a lot of things. She is very calm, composed, dental surgeon. Uh, in her clinic, if patient comes and say two sentences that he cannot afford, it's free for her. Free for her or him actually. That's the interesting thing of her. And I am learning a lot from her actually. So I wanted to dedicate this award to her. And definitely my in-laws who are selflessly loving me, irrespective of what I do and how I behave. That's the interesting thing of me actually. And thanks to them, thanks to World Vision Academy, Naren Bhai. It was fantastic of you of getting so many nice people in my life and connecting with them. Thank you so much. At the end, I will say one sentence, which is, I think, a driving force for many of us actually. If we do the right things at the right time, things falls in place actually. But if you do not do the right things at the right time, most of the times things start falling on your face. And we should be aware of that. Thank you so much for making me part of this family. Thank you.